There's no need to include meat in your meal when vegetarian and vegan Thai dishes already have so much amazing flavor. Thanks to aromatic spices, fresh ingredients, chiles, and herbs, these Thai-inspired recipes are brimming with flavor and nutritionally balanced without any need for meat, eggs, or dairy. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there! With lots of veggies, spices, and of course heaps of peanut sauce, there's a lot to love about Thai cuisine. But what is the best part? It's so vegan and vegetarian friendly. Here are 27 delicious vegan Thai recipes you need to try. Number 1. Vegetarian or vegan Pad Thai. This vegetarian take on Pad Thai offers adequate protein in the form of eggs and of course, it used tofu for a vegan version and crunchy nuts. Plus, since it's made with rice noodles, Pad Thai is a naturally gluten-free dish. If you don't have bok choy available, try swapping it for diced cabbage or broccoli. Number 2. Easy vegan tofu sauté in coconut sauce. Packed with flavor, this tofu sauté only takes a few ingredients including peanut butter and red curry paste. The trick is to freeze the tofu ahead of time, let it thaw, and squeeze the moisture out. This produces a meatier texture that will hold up on the grill. Number 3. Thai pineapple fried rice. This classic Thai pineapple fried rice recipe is perfectly delicious, no meat needed. Thai jasmine rice is fried up with chunks of pineapple plus cashews, peas, and currants with curry spices. If you're eating vegan, simply leave out the egg. Number 4. Vegan yellow Thai curry with mixed vegetables. Thai yellow curry tends to be milder than green or red curries, and you can adjust the spice by adding less chili paste. This recipe produces great flavors without the need for curry paste or a long list of ingredients. Serve with fresh lime and cilantro. Number 5. Thai green mango salad. Firm, unripe mangoes add fresh crunch and flavor to this classic Thai salad. If it's summertime, add some half cherry tomatoes for more brightness. To make it vegan, swap the fish sauce for soy sauce. Fried tofu adds a new texture and protein. Number 6. Vegan Thai-style spring rolls. These vegan Thai spring rolls are brimming with crispy vegetables and chewy noodles. They're fun to make, too. Get your kids or spouse involved in the rolling and you'll be eating these fresh spring rolls in no time. Serve as an appetizer or fun party food. Number 7. Thai mango sticky rice dessert or khao nio ma muang. Thai mango sticky rice is a classic vegan Thai dessert and is sure to become a favorite at your house. The sticky rice can either be steamed or you can make it in a pot on your stove. It's the perfect pair with sweet, ripe mango. Number 8. Vegetarian Tom Yum Soup. Vegetarian Tom Yum Soup is easy to make and is deliciously flavorful. Make it as an appetizer for a dinner party or as a nutritionally complete meal unto itself. If you're having it as a main course, serve with rice or rice noodles. Number 9. Easy coconut rice. Coconut rice makes a great side dish to accompany a Thai curry or vegetable dish. It's simple to put together and makes any meal extra special. For best results, use Thai jasmine rice. Number 10. Vegan stir-fried eggplant. This stir-fried eggplant gets its flavor from oyster sauce. You can use a vegan brand to make this vegetarian, soy sauce, and Thai chili peppers. You'll enjoy its sweet spicy salty flavor alongside any number of main dishes. Number 11. Vegan and gluten-free Thai pumpkin curry. Thai pumpkin curry is loaded with beautiful orange veggies like sweet potato, carrot, and pumpkin and flavored with homemade curry sauce and citrus. It makes a beautiful main course dish for a vegetarian or vegan dinner party. Number 12. 10-minute Thai cucumber salad. For a super quick salad with lots of flavor, throw together a Thai cucumber salad. With red chili, cilantro, and crushed peanuts, this is no boring salad. If you're eating vegan, swap the fish sauce for more soy sauce or omit it altogether. Number 13. Thai vegetable coconut soup with noodles. This simple recipe produces restaurant-quality delicious coconut noodle soup with lemongrass in just a few steps. It's a great natural remedy if you're fighting a cold or flu bug, and will boost your mood too. Using chewy rice noodles makes it gluten-free. Number 14. Baked tofu in Thai peanut sauce. Tender baked tofu is coated in an easy-to-make Thai peanut sauce for a tasty vegan main dish. Serve this baked tofu with fried rice, noodles, and sautéed vegetables for a complete meal. Number 15. Vegetarian Thai green coconut curry. This Thai green coconut curry includes a delicious homemade green curry paste. The list of ingredients seems long, but most of them will already be in your kitchen and it only takes minutes to whip up. It's fresh, flavorful, and has a vibrant green color. Use your favorite, in-season veggies for this curry. Number 16. Aromatic Thai yellow rice. If you're looking for a more flavorful side dish than plain white or brown rice, try Thai yellow rice. Flavored with onion, garlic, red pepper, turmeric, saffron, and lime, it's a dish worth savoring all on its own. Use vegetable stock to make it vegetarian. Number 17. Thai corn fritters. This recipe for Thai corn fritters is a real treat and it happens to be vegetarian and gluten-free. Made with corn, tofu, and a variety of vegetables, the batter takes only minutes to stir together. They're terrific as an appetizer, snack, or finger food for a party. Number 18. Thai stir-fried noodles with vegetables. Stir-fried noodles with vegetables are made with a flavorful sauce composed of lime juice, soy sauce, white pepper, and chile. Egg or wheat noodles are used for a chewy texture, and the whole dish takes less than half an hour to whip up. Replace the oyster and fish sauce with more soy sauce to make it truly vegetarian. Number 19. Thai green papaya salad. Thai green papaya salad is popular in most areas of Thailand, and when you taste it, you'll know why. Green papaya salad is a beautifully unique and flavor-filled dish made with unripe, crunchy fruit. It's also easy to make, low-calorie, and very nutritious. Number 20. Vegetarian Thai pumpkin and sweet potato curry. Creamy pumpkin and sweet potato in a coconut sauce with ginger, turmeric, garlic, and lime. This Thai curry is a delicious fall dish. If you don't have pumpkin handy, swap it for another winter squash like butternut, kabocha, or acorn squash. Number 21. Gluten-free sweet sticky rice cake. This vegetarian recipe for sweet sticky rice cakes is actually really simple to make and is even easier. You can leave off the Asian-style icing, although that's yummy too. Sticky rice is a true Asian culinary experience and so satisfying with its chewy texture. Number 22. Real vegan Thai green curry. An authentic vegan Thai green curry requires several ingredients but is quick and easy to make. Green chiles, cilantro, lemongrass, garlic, and makrut lime flavor the fragrant coconut broth and give it the signature green color. Swap the veggies out for whatever you have on hand. Number 23. Thai lettuce wraps. Thai lettuce wraps are a fun dish to eat either as an appetizer or as a main course dish. Serve the filling on a platter with whole lettuce leaves on the side and let your friends and family wrap their own. They'll love the combination of crisp, cold lettuce with the warm, flavorful filling. Number 24. Thai coconut brown rice. Add some nutrition to your Thai meal with coconut brown rice. It has all of the flavors of coconut rice with more fiber and nutrients. Use high-quality coconut milk for the best possible results. Number 25. Thai Massaman vegetarian curry. Massaman curries from southern Thailand have a wider array of dried spices than other Thai curries, bringing them closer to Indian-style curries. This vegan dish has wonderful depth of flavor and is delicious served with rice. Number 26. Thai steamed dumplings. For a vegetarian dim sum treat, try these delicious Thai steamed dumplings made with a shiitake mushroom, tofu, ginger, and coriander filling. The dumplings are steamed but with an option to fry them to create pot stickers. Number 27. Homemade Thai coconut ice cream. This vegetarian recipe for homemade coconut ice cream is similar to the ones they sell on the street in Thailand. With lots of coconut flavor, it can even be made without an ice cream maker. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.